and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another bullet journal setup video which is for April 2021. So yup, I know I am a bit late.
Actually, you know what? I am pretty late as it's already half a month.
No worries because the video is finally up now. So as April is my birthday month, I wanted to take like a blue and purpley kind of theme. Maybe many of you guys love butterflies just like me. So for April, I decided to take this purple and blue butterfly kind of theme, and yeah, that is my theme for April. I started with sketching everything with pencil as usual. So before we get started, please subscribe and hit the bell icon besides it. Also like and share this video with your friends and families. And yeah, grab your bullet journals and your supplies if you're planning along with me, and if not, then get cozy and relaxed, and yeah, enjoy the video guys. Now let's get started with the planning. So here I have sketched everything, and this time I'm using watercolors in my bullet journal to color the butterflies. So I thought that watercolor will be perfect for coloring the butterflies instead of using those connector pens and markers, because the watercolor will blend properly as compared to the markers. And yeah, those were the two brushes that I'll be using. So yup, I started with coloring the butterflies. First I took the light blue and did it like in the center, and then I took dark blue and then purple, and yeah, blended all the three colors into each other. I did the same thing with all the butterflies. Also, if you guys recreate any of the themes or any spread after seeing my video, or you get some inspiration after watching my videos, then please share your setups and the photos of your bullet journal on Instagram, and do tag me there, #Bujo with Soha, and also tag me @Soha Creates in the photo and in the caption. Also, if you haven't yet followed me on Instagram, then please follow me. We are very close to 100 followers. After the coloring was done in the butterflies, I took my black pen and just made the details of the butterflies. You guys can see how I made them. I'll just give you a close-up and like how I made those butterflies. Then next I used my white pen and added some highlights like the spots and all the highlights on it. By the way, if you guys are curious, my birthday is on 25th of April. Yes, drawing these butterflies was a bit time consuming, but yeah, the end result was amazing. Then in the center of the page, I wrote April and gave the drop shadow with the like ombre effect of the light blue and the light purple color. And yeah, I outlined the page with the light blue color and also added some dots. Then moving on to my next spread, which is the quote and the monthly spread besides my cover page. So yeah, here I sketched everything, and now just coloring in the butterflies with the watercolors. Also guys, I'm not using like the costly watercolors. I'm using the DOMS 25 shades watercolor, and it works perfectly for me. Then next, for the days of the week, I used the three main colors and made circles. Then yeah, just outlined the butterflies and gave them the highlights with the white pen, And as you guys can see, I forgot to add the highlights with the white pen on the cover page, so I'm just doing that right now. Then for like the quote section of the monthly and the quote page besides my cover page, I choose this quote which says, "Don't wait for your wings, fight for them." And I thought that this was very related to the theme, and also it was very motivational. And yeah, I made the calendar and I just wrote the quote and gave them the highlights. Added the dots in the quote and the dates in the cover page. Then I just randomly colored the dates of the days and then added the light blue border all over the page. And yeah, also I decided to add a cute touch of sticker. So this is the sticker which I got in the Factor Notes 2021 planner, which I won in the giveaway. And yes, I won the giveaway, I can't believe it. But yes, the unboxing video will be up soon. As of my exams, all the videos are delayed, but yeah guys, stay tuned, subscribe and hit the bell so that whenever I'll upload that unboxing video, you guys will be notified. Moving on to my next spread, which is my trackers and my brain dump spread. So first of all, I just sketched out everything as usual. So yeah, bringing in my watercolors for coloring the butterflies. So basically for my mood tracker, first I decided that I'll draw 30 butterflies. But then I thought that that is very time consuming and a bit hard. So I decided that I'll make different size of circles and yeah, count before you like outline them and make everything, because I misplaced that. Then below my mood tracker, I made my Instaplan and gratitude boxes, and then on the other page I made my brain dump, and on the half page I made my habit tracker. Then besides my habit tracker, I made a little section for notes and then my mini Insta and YouTube trackers. A quick transition, and yeah, everything is colored. So for the outlining, I used my black pen, then I used my the light blue marker and just outline it. So you guys can see the boxes are looking like they are glowing, so that is a very good effect. And yeah, I used that effect in every boxes that I made. Then I made the dots in different sizes, the header, and just numbered all the circles of my mood tracker. So these are like the washi tapes that I am using. This is like a dark blue lace kind of effected washi tape, and then the next one is this light blue shiny washi tape. So these are the two washi tapes that I'll be using in this whole setup. that's all for my trackers and my brain dump spread. Now moving on to my next spread, which is my sleep log, and this month I decided that why not I'll add a playlist spread. So yeah, here it is. I just sketched out everything and now I'm just coloring in the butterflies. So yeah, done with the butterflies, outlined everything and made the details with the black pen, and then used my white pen for the highlights. So when I was done making the butterflies, I outlined everything with my black pen. So basically for my sleep log this month I want to take like a different layout, but I was not getting any. If you guys have any suggestions, then you can comment down below or DM me on Instagram. Then besides my sleep log, I made a specials column. So basically in this, anything special happens in a day, like we made a very special food in our lunch or dinner, so I'll just note down that thing. So like that, I'll just note down the special things that happen in a day in this specials column. Yeah, that's all for the spread. Now moving on to the playlist spread besides the spread. So I not made a whole playlist spread because I was not having the names of the songs and all the printouts of the songs. So I just made a box and wrote the headers and the dots in different shapes and size. So yeah, maybe I'll make a shorts type of thing in which I'll make my playlist spread. So yeah, stay tuned. And here's the final flip through of my April 2021 bullet journal setup. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this. And oh yeah, I also made the key of my mood tracker because I just forgot to make that. So I just made that. And yeah, please subscribe if you love this video and want to see more monthly setups like this. And yeah, like this video, share it with your friends and families. And yep, that's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye guys, meet you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourselves and yeah.